They're back with a vengeance.
They're from the northeast.
They're back. Hey, anyone in from the northeast?
Have you not changed that shirt?
Nope.
You're a minger.
It's called me a minger.
You're a minger.
I'm a minger. I'm a minger. I'm going to have a hug. I'm going to have a minging hug.
A minging
I'm going to rub all my mingers over you.
On my breast.
Come in, it's
On
not...
my breast. She's putting germs on my breast, Chris.
Oh, breasts. Come in, it's not even my house. It's Dave Monica again. We haven't seen them since Durham. There's Chris. Caroline, meanwhile, is going to have to put some more. She's going to have to put some more bacon on now. Poor Caroline. Poor Caroline. Us five have not been together since September 2000. So that's 21 years ago. 21 years since all five of us have been together.
We don't look any different.
That's absolutely. Well, you lot don't. I don't. I've been wearing that shirt all that time. I've missed this being away. But look at this dirty bird. Disgusting. Disgusting. Ooh, stuff me now. Readers' wives. Well, here we all are in the coach of chaos, and we're going to go to Wetherspoons and we're going to sing happy songs. It's the Chuckle Bus. I've been using Chris and Caroline's house as an Asda, my own private Asda. So right again.
Turn right.
Right. Now you've gone too far. We used to have Charlie Boy here. It's a dwarf! I love dwarfs. I wish I had one. You can't say dwarf? Well, what can you say? Because they're not midgets. Chris, stop hiding out. You need to be up there, in the gap. Fill the gap. Goddamn amateurs. Dave, do some magic.
I'm retired. Yes.
Did you guys really think I was going to walk this distance? That's just ridiculous.
I thought you
Would not have been nice. I don't do a lot of walking.
When you're exploring, you've
Here?
got your car. No, you're going down to the bottom.
You could turn right there.
Do you, when you're out exploring an area you've arrived in, do you not walk?
You just walk.
I didn't mean to walk over that mountain. I meant to go
Somebody put it in your
up
way.
the top and then back down again. I certainly didn't mean to go round 2 other mountains first and then around 3 other mountains on the way back. You know, walking is for people who can't afford to drive. I mean, do I look poor?
That's right.
Do I look poor?
I have philosophy when I walk.
I've never come this way before. Oh, it must be the cobbles.
I always forget.
They used the joke twice in 2 videos.
Montpellier.
More repeats than the BBC. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you all enjoying your video tour of Harrogate through the rear window between everybody else's heads? I hope so. It's a very pretty town. I've got to park. Duck your heads, everybody. Everybody lie down. I can't see a thing. Get out, Caroline! Get out of my van!
How do I get out?
What does she mean?
She's probably the worst person to give you directions.
She's gesticulating. Whoa, that looked fun! Is that what she does at night? Oh, that's getting me all excited, the way she moves her fingers. Oh, good Lord, Chris. A valiant team effort. We are parked. How long are we staying for?
Should we put 2.5 hours will be long enough, will it?
Yes. Huh. Didn't like that one. Try again. Oh,
Rub it.
Not gonna win anything.
Rub it on your knackers.
Yes, get rid of the static.
Give me your tempers. Give me your tempers, baby. A magic 10. It's a perfect tent. Now the 20 doesn't fit.
Put them in too fast.
You have to lift.
Give it a minute.
What have we won? What have we won? We are parking in Harrogate. Right, what should we do with this 50p?
Put it in your pocket.
In my pocket. Oh, very nice. She's in the windscreen. And here is beautiful Harrogate. Here we are with the beautiful Harrogate church behind. So let's go. Let's go. Now Dave is a magician, or was a magician. So Dave, tell me, can you pull a rabbit out of a hat?
No, but I can pull a hair out your ass.
It never gets old. So here we are, we're still walking around Harrogate, we're going to Wetherspoons. We've parked about 150 million miles away instead of two metres away like I'd suggested. So this is a Harrogate War Memorial, so I shall be sensible and sombre for a moment. Here we have the famous Betty's tea rooms, where you can go for afternoon tea, so I don't drink tea. Massive queues, as always. It's a proper tourist spot. They polish all the proper silver every day. This woman's been polishing it for 30 years, I should want to tell you, or 40 years, or 20 years, or quite a while. That's job satisfaction, polishing teapots. Look, it's like a proper family day out, because we are a family of old. What were you doing? You naughty girl. She's dirty. That Monica's dirty. There's that dirty cackle.
Like dirty.
You cackle like a slut.
Come on.
so Monica, they pointed this out to me last night. There he is.
All right.
Look.
Nipple.
It's my nipple. I reckon, right, that this Wetherspoons should be called Tipperary, because it's a long way. Beautiful ceilings in here. Absolutely fantastic building. It's now Wetherspoons. 609 Squadron had their Christmas meal here with mock turtle soup and everything.
Yeah.
I think 1938. Yeah. Can't believe it's descended into the chaos of a Wetherspoons. Never mind, cheap bit. So this is my 10-ounce steak in Wetherspoons. Steak and chips. I'm kind of like, where's the rest of it? This is Chris's lasagna.
The salad's invisible.
It's like,
This is a bit weird.
Where's this greenery?
it's like, are we in someone's house?
I've got no rainforest.
You've got no colourings.
What do you want to drink?
I want a Pepsi, but I want proper Pepsi. I want one with syrup in. I want one with bubbles in, right? And I want ice, but I want bubbles and syrup, not like that one. And I want a side salad because I didn't get one with my steak. And do you know what else I want? I want a straw. I want a plastic straw. And I want it full. I don't want it there. I want it full. I want it full to the brim. See if you can carry it, unlike these
Please.
untrained monkeys.
Please.
Please, Monica. Can you breathe? What are you having?
Having a doom bar.
Oh, a flat doom bar in a warm glass with lime scale on it. Are you not drinking?
I am.
Oh, yes. Sticking with that one. Yes. Are you having another
I
drink?
am having a biggin.
Yes.
I like a biggin.
Oh, like it big, do you? Like a biggin, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Love it, do you?
I do, I love it.
Say, like a biggin. Oh, suits you. Well, the glass is filled closer to the top and it looks like it's got bubbles.
Yeah.
But it's a smaller glass, it's a shorter glass, it can't be as much. Let's test it. Monica
Test
will-
it. I shall record. Taste test.
More syrup,
Taste
still
test.
no bubbles,
No bubbles.
and there's no
It
slice.
looks bubbly.
There's no slice.
No slice.
No straw.
There is a slice.
We could have done with
Slice
it
the old one.
an umbrella.
Well, that was an absolutely marvellous day today. 5 old friends together for the first time in 21 years. And we're all like in our 20s again. It's been brilliant. It's been really good. So lucky to have friends that you can just be together again with after all that space of time and just be completely natural, normal and exactly how you were. It's been fantastic. So now a couple hours drive to my next spot. Look at this, guys and girls. It's a Devon. It's an old Devon. It's a Volkswagen. Not a Toyota. It's far too slow for me. Let's go. So there you go. That's the first Devon camper conversion I've seen on road, apart from mine. It's a Volkswagen converted rather than a Toyota converted, but I'll forgive him because he's a Devon. V-Reg, so that's a 7980, so it's a few years older than this. The engine's probably a bit of a trigger's broom, to be fair, but how nice to see. My God, was he slow! Oh my God, that poor old lorry. Well, the lorry's overtaken him now, but there you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lincolnshire, where I have now arrived for the evening, and those over there are wolds. As in Lincolnshire wolds, I guess. Anyway, why have I come here? I've come to a place called Stenigot, formerly RAF Stenigot. Here's my camper. Now I've come for something specific. So we're back to my grandfather's wartime service, but we're going further back than any of the other sites we've been to. We're going back to his time initially at the start of the war, 1939-40, when he was with 78th Anti Aircraft Regiment. I've come to a particular spot. This is RAF Stenigot, as was, and this is an AIMS site, Air Ministry Experimental Station. That up there is what was known as RDF, Radio Direction Finding, radar. This is what allowed our pilots to beat the Germans in the Battle of Britain. Outnumbered, radar allowed Fighter Command to put the aircraft in the right place at the right time without using all their fuel. So let's go and have a closer look. Okay, so now you can see the very large concrete bases on which it stands. Okay, these are all that remains of the one at Darsham that they were also guarding. This is a very big tower. Love to go to the top of that, and I bet the view is amazing. So this is really important stuff, and it's still MOD property. Okay, prohibited place within the meaning of the Official Secrets Act. Now I don't know if he was specifically here at Stenigot. Okay, the regiment was. They were also at West Beckham. They were also at Darsham. And they were also at Stoke Holy Cross near Norwich. There's still a tower there. Now they were manning anti-aircraft positions, remember, and these were defended. So let's go and see if we can find some gun positions. At the time it's probably Lewis guns from normal pillboxes with a bit of an anti-aircraft roofing structure on top. Well, that's definitely a pillbox. Was that a pillbox manned by my grandfather or his regiment? Who knows? Did it have an anti-aircraft position on top? Who knows? So there's another view. There would have been 4 of these towers. Now you can see at the base to the left there's a concrete structure. Behind that, a brick structure. That's all part of it. Tracking round, we've got a brick pillbox as well. My grandfather would more likely to have been in there. So there we go, a brick built or brick clad pillbox. Possibly one he was stationed in, with the RDF tower over there. So there's our tower. It's a large concrete structure. Now it's all overgrown, but it's open, a bit tangled. I'm going to go in through the window, through the looking glass into history. Did my grandfather come in here? Wow. Proper bit of history, this. Well, here's the downstairs. Don't think there's any way I can get upstairs. Everything's overgrown. But I can, by the look of it, get around here for a different view, different angle. So there's the outside of that structure. You have the tower. Here we have another brick built structure. This would be a big heavy duty fortified structure. There's metres of concrete in the ceiling there. I know because I've toured around one that's used as a fireworks store now. So there you're looking at a remaining in use RDF tower from the Battle of Britain 1940. Brick clad, odd design of pillbox. It's windowed, got a heavy steel door on it. And it might just have had my grandfather in it for a little while. All men from his regiment coming back and tracking round. There's the RDF tower. Well, lads and lasses, tonight I'm in Lincolnshire, just outside Stenigot, and it's the last night of just me. Desperados! I'm desperado to go on holiday again, so I'm going to have that, a nice tequila infused Mexican beer, which I shall be drinking now with some tacos made from my leftover chili from the other day. That's good stuff. Well, I'm going to say goodnight to you all with my chili, lettuce, feta, red pepper relish and quartered taco shells. So sleep well, everybody. It's Mexican madness! Caramba! I should have had a moustache to wear a little like Sancho Panza.